TB-12 assembly instructions. This one's pretty straightforward. So what we're going to want to take is the rubber band, and you got the two buttons right here. Fairly simple. Press them down. Insert the rubber band. Let it clip back. Tighten. Now what you want to do is you want to use a screwdriver and tighten it a little bit further, just for security purposes. You don't want it snapping back at you. Same thing to the other side. Insert, tighten. So that part is done. Now what you want to do is the aim or the level gauge. You want to choose which side you want it going to, so you put it on the outer part of the slingshot. If you're a righty, you want to put it on the right side. Insert. Part 2 is tightening it with the golden screws that you insert into this hole in the front. Take the hex screw, tighten it. Now as you're tightening it, you want to make sure that this is level going across. So that's done. And for cosmetic purposes, you have the second yellow golden screw, and you want to put it on the other side. And if you ever want to switch sides for the level gauge, you can. Whatever works easiest for you. It's in and tight.